Hello Sleek Bill users. Welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we'll learn how to show the total tax amount in your invoice using Sleek Bill. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type www.sleekbill.in. Once the website opens, click on the login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your registered email ID and password. After entering the details, click on the Sign In button. Once login is successful, you will reach the Sleek Bill dashboard. From the dashboard menu, click on Preferences. This section contains all software and invoice customization settings. Inside Preferences, go to Documents, then go to Invoices. Here you will see multiple invoice-related options. Now find the option called Show Total Tax Amount. Enable this option by clicking on the toggle button. After enabling the option, click on the Save button. Your settings are now updated successfully.
Now create or open an invoice. You will notice that the invoice now displays total tax amount separately. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.